In this question, they give you a graph and a function, and then we are going to, based on the position, compare with origin to identify is h larger than 0 or smaller than 0. First thing is this is a kind of vertex form, but it's not exactly vertex form. The vertex form in our textbook should be y equal to a times of x minus h squared plus k. Minus h is because it's easier for us to find out what is the suitable x to create a turning point. So it's a little tricky here. They give you plus h and quite confusing. But you should understand that how come we have the turning point or minimum point here is because of the nature of square. When you take square, you'll find that the minimum value is 0 of the whole square. It can't be negative value. That's why it creates a minimum point. Any value of this bracket other than 0 will cause it increase. That's why if it is not exactly the same as this point, it will go up in either direction when x increase or decrease. So the key point is at minimum point or maximum point, the bracket must be equal to 0, which means that x is equal to negative h. The vertex point here, the x coordinate is negative h. At the same time, when x plus h, the bracket equal to 0, what will happen to the final outcome? Y will equal to 0 squared plus k. That means y equal to k. So the height is k. From this point, we can draw one conclusion. Is negative h itself left hand side of 0. So negative h is more than 0. The second finding is about the height. This is below the ground, so k is less than the origin, less than 0. You should just draw this conclusion first, and then our target is h, so you are going to solve this inequality. Both sides divided by negative 1, because you want to create positive h. But don't forget, when you divide both sides by negative, it's trigger a change in the direction. So h is larger than 0. The answer is h larger than 0 and k smaller than 0.